Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Today, I shall revise algebraic expression of exercise 6C. Find each of the following products of and multiplication of monomial and binomial here. So two important questions are written on this board. It's question number 5 and question number 14. So in question number 5, AB into A square minus B square. So solve it here. AB, remove the bracket, AB into A square. First sign plus into plus, plus. Now plus into minus, minus. AB into B square. Next step is AB into A square. AB into A square. So A into A square, A cube minus AB into B square. So B into B square, B cube, AB cube. Answer. Here next question is question number 14. 1.5a into 10a square b minus 100ab square. So 1.5a into plus 1.5a into 10a square b plus into minus 1.5a into 100 AB square. We have 100 AB square. Now solve here. 1.5 into 10. Constant multiply by constant. So 1.5 multiply by 10, 15. A into A square B. So A into A square means A cube. B into 1b. A into A square B means A cube B. Minus 1.5 into 100. 115. Constant multiply by constant. 1.5 multiply 100. So 150. A into AB square. So A square, B square. Answer. Write it. Students, next question is question number 17. Find the product AB into A square, B square and evaluate it for A equal to 2 and B equal to 1 by 2 or half. So first of all find the product AB into A square plus B square equal to, remove the bracket, plus into plus, plus AB into A square plus into plus, plus AB into B square. AB into A square. Next after that AB into B square. So result is AB into A square, A into A square. So A cube B plus AB into B square, B into B square, B cube. So AB into B square, AB cube. One answer is one answer. It is first answer. And second answer, find the value of. Therefore, A cube B plus AB cube. The value of A is 2 and the value of B is 1 by 2. So keep the value. Put the value A and B. A cube B. So A cube means 2 cube. 2 cube B. B means 1 by 2. Plus A 2 into B cube. B cube means 1 by 2 cube. Next step 2 cube 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 cube. So 1 by 2 cube 8. Now 2 4 ja 8 and 2 4 ja 8 equal to 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 plus 1 by 4, add it. So 4 whole 1 by 4. Answer. Write it. Students, next question. Simplify each of the following. Simplify each of the following. Question number 21. A into B minus C minus B into C minus A minus C into A minus B. So first of all, remove the bracket. A into B, AB, plus into minus, minus, A into C, AC, minus into plus, minus, B into C, BC, minus into minus, plus, B into A, AB, minus into plus, minus, C into A, AC, minus into minus, plus, C into B, BC. Now, BC minus and BC plus cancel. So AB plus AB, 2AB, minus AC and minus AC. So minus 2AC. This will be the answer of this question. Now question number 23. Question number 23. X into x plus 4 plus 3x into 2x square minus 1 plus 4x square plus 4. So remove the bracket. Plus into plus, plus, x into x, plus into plus, plus, x into 4, plus into plus, plus, 3x into 2x square, plus into minus, minus, 3x into 1, plus 4x square and plus 4. Next step is multiply x into x, x square, plus x into 4, plus 4x, plus 3x into 2x square. So 3 2 is 6, x cube, minus 3x into 1. So minus 3x, plus 4x square and plus 4. Next step is 6x cube. 6x cube. X square plus 4x square plus 5x square. 4x minus 3x. 4x minus 3x. So plus x. And constant term is plus 4. This will be the answer of this question. Write it. Students, next question is question number 25. Simplify it. A square B into A minus B square plus AB square into 4AB minus 2A square minus AQB into 1 minus 2B. So first of all, remove the bracket. Equal to A plus into plus, plus A square B into A plus into minus, minus A square B into B square. Next term is plus into plus, plus AB square into 4AB plus into minus, minus AB square into 2A square. Next term here, minus into plus, minus AQB into 1 and minus into minus plus AQB into 2B. Next step is here a square b into a square b into a. So a cube b plus into minus minus a square b into b square b into b square. So a square b into b square b cube plus ab square into 4ab. ab square constant term only 4 is 4 1 ja 4. ab square into ab. So a into a square, and b square into b cube. Now minus ab cube into 2a square. Constant term is 2 only. 2 1 ja 2. ab square into a square. So a cube, a into a square, a cube b square minus a cube b into 1, a cube b plus a cube b into 2b, 2 1 ja 2, and a cube b into b square. Now solve it. a cube b plus and a cube b minus. Minus 2 a cube b square plus 2 a cube b square. It is also cancelled. Now minus a square b cube plus 4 a square b cube. So solve it. 3 a square b cube answer. Students, today your homework is revise exercise 60. Students, today your homework is revise exercise 60. Thank you. That's all.